Hey champs, follow this step-by-step tutorial to learn how to connect your social accounts. With Social Champ, when you first log in, you will land on the content dashboard by default. Navigate to the left panel and click Settings. Then select the Manage Account tab. Click the Add New button on the right side of your screen. Select your social network. You will be asked to add your credentials. Once done, you will be redirected to select your profiles and connect them to Social Champ. You can select one or multiple at the same time. That's it. Now you can start publishing to your newly connected social account. You can connect your Pinterest boards, Instagram accounts, Facebook pages and groups, LinkedIn pages and profile, Twitter profiles, YouTube channels, and Google My Business profiles with Social Champ. Great work! Now you know how to get your social accounts connected. Happy posting, champs!